As some of you may know, my wife and I live in South Florida and we've been here for a few years. We recently moved to a new apartment in the butterfly capital of the world. If you don't know what that is, Google it. When we first moved here, there was this beautiful wooded forest, approximately 13 acres big. It was one of the last natural wooded habitats here in South Florida. Unfortunately, within the last 3 weeks, I sat here and watched as they cut down every tree, native plant, and grasses all the way back to bare earth. This left hundreds, if not thousands, of animals, birds, insects without a home. There's now this beautiful pack of coyotes just wandering around our neighborhood, looking for somewhere to live, something to eat, because again, humans have taken their home without a second thought.